Well, there you go, fellas. Big motherfucking weed after a bushfire. Just walked up that slope. Don't know how many more years I can be doing this, fellas. Well, at least CPs and down under can be great again. 2021. What a surprise. The flower is no longer. Yeah. So do you think the old stew and dumplings is getting the royalties from magnum opus for nothing now? Ha ha ha. And do you think he's raised the price of the set to $1,000 US? Sells 1,000 sets. And he's made a cool million. Well, I'm assuming they're churning them out of the Indian book factory here. Probably $1 each. And the little Indian co-workers don't know anything. Wait till they go online and get decent broadband or internet. What? You mean this book that we're producing for $1 he's selling for each volume for about 300 and something US? And now that the flower is no longer, he probably gets it all. I wouldn't be surprised if we got it all right from the get-go. Yeah. Well, I think we can just walk straight to the road because there's no fences anymore. Oh, there you go. Look at that. That look good. Yeah. Oh well. We'll see how we go. See if anyone's read the book by now. But look at those. What do they call those? Epicormic buds. That's what they call them. Epicormic buds. Yeah. Yeah. There was keep out signage earlier on 2 months ago when we drove past. It's not there anymore, so I assume they've done their clearing in there and everything's tickety-boo. Well, it's pretty open now. So, yeah. Anyway, move on, have my donut. I'll have my donut and move on to the next bit, I think.